Hello, in this video we will talk about 10 red flags every new immigration attorney must know before it's too late. And I'm giving you this again about immigration attorneys to protect your career, your license, and your peace of mind. This is a very important piece of information. It's a quick start guide from somebody who has been there. Hi, I'm Andrea Park. I'm a former New York City attorney turned author and empowerment counsel, and I help attorneys like you, especially in the first 10 years of practice, to stay out of trouble and in alignment with themselves and the practice of law. I know the legal world from every angle, from the courtroom to personal breakdowns to prison time, and now with helping you to go through this, and especially my personal process of rebuilding my own life. I know that you didn't go to law school so you can lose your license, and that's the reason why I'm doing this video. I know that no one warned you how easy it is to cross the line when the pressure of practicing law kicks in. And I know that it's very hard to describe in words, and only when you experience it, you truly understand it. And trust me, I've been there and I know what I'm talking about. Again, in this video, I'm sharing 10 red flags that every entry-level immigration attorney must know and must catch before it's too late, so you can protect your career, your license, and your peace of mind. This checklist isn't about fear. It's about your freedom and knowing how to spot trouble before it spirals, because it's very easy to spiral down. These 10 red flags could literally save your practice and your life and your sanity and your family and everything that you can think of. Please, give me a few minutes, listen to this, it's very important. Red flag number 1. Clients who refuse to make formal appointments. They just show up unannounced and expect to be seen. And I'm not talking about the walk-ins or people who have an emergency. I'm talking about the particular clients that maybe used your free consultation that you offered. Maybe you spoke with them on the phone and you told them what to do and to make an appointment with you and make a formal consultation appointment, and they just totally disregard what you told them and they show up at your door and they expect you to not only see them but represent them right then and there. I'm talking about the ones that completely disregard everything that you tell them to. And it's unfortunate, but sometimes you're gonna find clients who are disrespectful to your time, they're loud, and they're difficult. And in time you will learn how to read these clients, but at the beginning I didn't know, and I wished somebody would have told me this. Don't let people step over your boundaries, because unfortunately these are the type of clients that will eat up your time, delay the payment, and give you trouble. So from somebody that experienced difficult clients, it's not worth it. These are the clients that not only will eat up a lot of your time, but you will end up not making money with them. They will either delay paying the fee or bargain with you or not pay altogether and disappear. Red flag number 2. 2 or more clients with similar stories, especially in asylum cases. Pay close attention to the client stories. If 2 or more clients suddenly come up and they have nearly identical narratives in their stories, especially if they know each other or they come from the same part of the world, please pause and investigate. These are people who are desperate to stay in the US and will tell you anything that would make their case fly. You're an attorney to help clients, not to lose your license. Please protect yourself. You are an officer of the court. Hence, you have the responsibility to the court first, not to your clients. Your license and your peace of mind are more important than the money that you might get from a particular client. Red flag number 3, rushed document signing. If a client doesn't want to read or review the documents, the forms before signing, that's a clue for you to slow down. If they have the car double parked or they couldn't find parking or they can make it to your office until 5 o'clock or whatever the case might be. If they call you outside or a paralegal of yours outside to sign the papers on top of the car, that's a major red flag. Or they tell you, email me the forms, I'll look over them and I'll send you signed. Arrange for the client to come in. Read the entire file with them. Check the names, check the dates, check all the information in the file, in the forms and in the documents, and have them sign in front of you. It's your license on the line. Red flag number 4. Last minute story changes. Major changes in the storyline the day of the filing. Don't ignore your gut. Stop and investigate. If children appear and disappear in the file, be aware that the client might not be completely truthful. Red flag number 5. Language barriers brushed aside. Assuming they understand legal English can cost you your license. Always use an interpreter. Always have them sign separate affidavits in their native languages, where they affirm what service they hired you for to represent them, specifically what they hired you for, and the contents of the file that was translated in full for them in their native language, and that the entire information is correct. Have them affirm and sign in front of you. Red flag number 6. Pressure to file fast. Just submit it now and we'll fix it later. No. It is your reputation and is your license on the line. You don't want the judge or USCIS to red flag you as an attorney and then not trust your future filings. Red flag number 7, vague or missing evidence. If documentation is incomplete, inaccurate, or missing, proceed with caution. Be very careful with documents. In my full-length webinar, I present a lot of situations that got me in trouble. Red flag number 8, clients who ask you to stretch the truth. It might sound harmless to them, but for you, it's not. It's not even funny. You're not a fictional or sci-fi writer. You're an attorney. You are there to write and convey to the court the information that the client is giving you. You're not responsible to come up with their story. They are. Red flag number 9, no written acknowledgement of what they signed. This is a very, very important point. Please protect yourself. Always, always, always document client's understanding in writing. I cannot emphasize this more. Have the client acknowledge what kind of form they signed, what kind of proceeding they hired you to represent them for, and what is their intention of obtaining as a result of your legal services. Very important. Last but not least, red flag number 10. You're ignoring your own discomfort. This is probably the most important red flag out of all. If your stomach drops, if your brain says, this feels off, please listen. Again, soon enough you will learn how to read your clients from your first encounter with them. If it feels off, don't take the case, please. It's not worth it. You will learn in time. But now, at the beginning, please take note of this. Now, what to do if you spot a red flag? Pause and process. Revisit the facts. Document everything. Don't rush to take decisions. Reach out for guidance. Call another attorney more senior than you, or a mentor, or I don't know, Ayla. I'm sure that you can find somebody to guide you. And now, if you want more support, you don't have to figure this out alone. Please book a strategy session with me or check out the videos that I have in Alive Again Hub for real tools from someone that walked this path. My website is andreapark.com, Andrea with 2 E's, and Park is PARC.com. Please check out all the information I have there, all the free guidance, all the free resources, and if you want one-on-one mentoring or the programs that I offer, please reach out. Thank you for being here with me today. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you on your journey.